Hey everyone, if you've designed a website in Figma and want to turn it into a WordPress website, you're in the right place. First, open your Figma design and make sure everything is organized. Sections, images, and text should be grouped properly so it's easy to export later. Next, export your design elements like images, icons, and logos in web-friendly formats such as PNG or SVG. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. If you don't have a site yet, install WordPress on your hosting. Once you're in, install a page builder plugin like Elementor. This makes it easy to visually recreate your Figma design. After installing Elementor, create a new page and click Edit with Elementor. Use sections and columns to match your layout from Figma, just like arranging blocks. Upload your exported images, add your text, and adjust padding, margins, and colors to match your Figma design exactly. Finally, when everything looks just like your Figma design, click Publish to make your site live. And that's it. Your Figma design is now a working WordPress website, ready to share with the world.